Welcome to D2L training. This will help you out. Hopefully you'll capture some information here that you might have missed in the workshops. What I want to do now is talk about the issues of getting into D2L and getting your syllabus loaded. So we're going to do that now. And what you need to do is get into LOPE Access, access your account there, and click on the Faculty tab. Once you click on the Faculty tab, you should have access in two areas. On the right side, Course Access, and down a little bit further on the left side, Online Course Access. Go ahead and click here to access your LCC Desire to Learn class. When you do that, you'll come to your home page. This is your home page to the courses that you are taking at this time or that you are teaching at this time. It'll list a number of items here. When you first open it up, you'll see a news page as well as your settings where you can add your picture, your preferences, a home page, whatever it is that you want to add. And you'll have some other tools as well. But in the middle is called News. You're going to find some news here. Your students need to be checking this as well as you, because there will be updates regarding D2L. Some of the happenings, if there's updates, if there's going to be some downtime or whatever, that's where that information is going to be. Now, scroll down, you'll find My Courses. What you're going to find is you're going to find yourself listed under one or two tabs, Student and Instructor. Under Student, if you're in the system and I have you loaded, you will find the Faculty Lounge there for you and some other information or sites that you need to log into to learn about what's happening on campus or how D2L is working for you. Now, as you scroll down in the Instructor tab, you need to find the class that you're going to be teaching this term. For this particular exercise, I'm going to select Bada Bing 101. This is the course that I'm going to load my information into as far as the syllabus. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to open up the course. Now, what I'm going to find in Bada Bing 101, same thing your students will find if you don't put your syllabus in there, is pretty much a blank page. It's going to be nothing in there to help your students or help you. So one of the first things that we want to do, and the requirement is, right now we want every faculty member to load content, load the syllabus onto D2L. We're spending a lot of money on printing. Plus, we want you to get used to this. In the event we have to close down the campus for whatever reason, be it H1N1 or tornadoes or whatever the case may be, we can continue to teach a class during the snowstorm, if that's what's necessary to keep things going. Plus, your students, especially if you have athletes in your classes, may want to find some information out. What did they miss in class? You can post a lot of this information in there for them. But for the purpose of right now, getting this rocking and rolling, getting your syllabus online, here's what we're going to do. First thing that you want to do is you want to click on Content, because we need to find a place to put it. And then on the left side, you're going to find Manage Files under Content Areas, and the block under Content Areas. So click on that. Now what you're going to find is no documents whatsoever. You're going to have to upload your syllabus. Be it a new file is something that you build within D2L, or I'm going to upload a file. For me, I'm going to find a syllabus. For this exercise, I'm going to use a 111 syllabus, online 8-week. So let me do that. I've got that all loaded in here, and I'm going to upload. And now I have it loaded into D2L. There it is. I have one file in there. So now that I have that, I'm going to go back up here to Content. Click on it's in the blue ribbon here, Content. And I'm going to put a place for the syllabus. Right here is where you're going to do that. New module. You'll have to start a new module. It's going to be, for the purpose of this course, syllabus. Since I've already loaded this in, syllabus is typed. I'm going to hide the enumeration. What you're going to find when you don't, is going to come up with some Roman numerals. Click Save. Now I have saved it. You see the light blue bar up here. It says Save Successfully. I'm going to go back to Content. I can either do that through the blue ribbon, or I can go to Manage Content. And I'm going to see if it's loaded up. Yes, Syllabus. But as you see, it really has no link to the syllabus. I need to find a new topic. The new topic is going to be, for this, the syllabus. There's two ways that I can do this, or three or four, or whatever ways I can, is to create a new file in which I add a link to the syllabus, or I'm going to add the document itself into this course file. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to type in here syllabus. Now, I also need to make sure I have it attached to a module, so I'm going to click on a module, syllabus. So I have syllabus here, module, title, module for my topic. I'm not going to add a short topic. I'm going to hide my enumeration. I'm going to click on Save. Wow. Okay, I've messed up here because I did not click Browse. So go back up to Browse. I'm going to find that syllabus. I'm going to click on the little radio button here. I'm going to select File. Now, what all do I need? Do I need anything else? No. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to see if it's saved it well. Yes, the light blue bar has showed up top. Says Saved Successfully. So I do have that loaded now. I'm going to go back just to check on it. I'm going to click on Manage Content. Yes, syllabus is right there. And you'll see a little Word document right there. Lets me know that that document is loaded. Next step is to ensure that my students have read and acknowledged the syllabus. Nothing worse than having a student saying, I don't remember reading that. Here's how they're going to do it. I'm going to type in here syllabus. I'm also going to add a description about reading and acknowledging the syllabus. Just a simple thing here, typing all that in. And you can add anything that you want here, however, that works best for you. Now, I'm also going to, for the sake of this course, because I know my students, I need to add a link for the syllabus. Now, I'm going to find that syllabus. And where am I going to find the syllabus? I can find it in course file or content. I'm going to go to content because I want the students to get used to going to the content. We'll click on syllabus. We'll click here. We'll change windows to new window. I'm going to click that. Now click here. Click here for syllabus. So now they have an access to that. I'm going to also add a topic as I save this, because they're not going to be able to leave their message unless they're able to do this. So I'm going to type in syllabus again, and please acknowledge. And again, you can type in whatever message that you want to send the student. Click on Save. I'm going to check this out by going to Forms and Topics list, see what I have. Yes. And the students can sign in right here. They should be able to click on that syllabus right there and add their message that they have read it. And you may want to discuss this in the class if your students have not accessed D2L before. Now, let's go to Course Home. Go back to Course Home, and I don't have any place there that lets the students know where to find the syllabus. So you'll see here a plus sign, new news item. Click on that. I'm going to type syllabus so that the students have that. I'm going to type in here. You can find us in the content link. I'm going to make a space. I'm going to go over here to the chain. Now, I told the student that they can find the content where? In the content, or find the syllabus in the content. I'll click on that. I'm going to go select syllabus. I'm going to type in here, just for reasons, I click on the new window, and now you find the syllabus and the content link. But I also want to make sure the student knows that they need to sign or acknowledge that they read the syllabus. So I'm going to add in this window. So I'll put that there. Please review the syllabus and acknowledge reading and understanding the syllabus in the discussion section. And just to make sure the student knows where to find that, I'm going to make sure they have a link. So I'm going to go to discussions, or my discussions syllabus. I can click on the form, or I can click on the topic. I'm going to click on the form for this exercise, click insert. And I forgot to add the caption link, so I need to add that in. Click link, or click here. Insert. Let's see how it works. Yes, it works. Now I need to save it. Okay, created successfully. So now I'm done. I'm going to go over here to course home, click on it. Let's see what it looks like. This is what the student sees for finding the syllabus. So hopefully that helps. And I'll continue on here in just a few minutes, or next video, that will show you what to do if you want to build a course shell. Bring in the course shell and then build a course from there.